Group and team coaching. What is it? Why is it important? I'm Michael Hall, Dr. Michael Hall, and this November 2018 in Jakarta, Indonesia, we will be doing the group and team coach training. 4 days we will do training for skills of group and team coaching and looking at the skills that differentiate it from individual coaching. Individual coaches will want to be coming to expand their skill set to group and team coaching, and business owners, entrepreneurs, managers, supervisors, people from the C-suite will also probably want to come because they're involved with teams and groups, and this is about group and team coaching. After the first 4 days, the next 3 days is a very special kind of training, and it's training by watching group coaching in action. What we'll be doing is doing assessments with people reaching competency in group and team coaching. They'll be coaching a group, and people will watch, people will see that psychodrama on the stage, and then they'll hear the benchmarks, the feedbacks for what's working really well and what would take that coach's skills to the next level. So group and team coaching, why is it important? Most groups are dysfunctional. Most groups do not work well with each other. There's communication problems. There's misunderstanding problems. There's conflict that doesn't get resolved. There are elephants in the room that people won't even talk about. So group and team coaching is helping a group of people think together. When they can think together, they can learn together. When they can learn together, they can make some really good, intelligent decisions together. And then that group can perform together at higher levels of competency and performance. In fact, most groups don't do that. Actually, most groups are less intelligent than the most intelligent people in the group. But a group that comes together into an effective work group, or even better, a team, that group can actually be smarter than the group and the most intelligent people in the group. So group and team coaching is a fast trend in the field of coaching and management and organizational development. And we're going to have 7 days of training, 4 days on the skills, and then 3 days on actually seeing it in action and seeing benchmarks and feedback for how effective groups can be coached. If you're interested, see Meta Mine in Jakarta, and you'll find the dates and the investment for group and team coaching.